6 years, that's how long I've been using Unreal Engine. It's my go-to tool for creating games, including my own game, Digital Domain, and for teaching over 10 courses to thousands of students. Unreal Engine has been like a home to me. But now it's 2025 and Unity 6 is making a lot of noise.
Is this the greatest power in the universe?
Unity 6 promises to change the game literally. And it made me wonder, is it time for me to switch, or does Unreal Engine still hold the top spot in game development? Well, let's compare and figure this out together. First, let me talk about Unreal Engine. Over the years, I've been done so much with it. From creating detailed game worlds to creating smooth gameplay mechanics. Unreal is known for its incredible graphics, powerful tools, and massive features like blueprints for visual scripting and advanced options for coding in C++. But if I'm being honest, it's not perfect. Unreal Engine can feel overwhelming, especially for smaller projects or beginners. Sometimes it feels like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Powerful, but maybe too much for what you need. So then there is Unity 6. The buzz around this release is huge. And for good reason. Unity 6 comes with better graphics, a cleaner interface, and tools that make it faster to create games. It's also known for being lighter, easier to learn, and great for mobile and indie games. Sounds amazing, right? And to be honest, it is. Unity has made a lot of progress, especially when it comes to making the game engine more user-friendly and approachable for everyone. Their asset store is a big plus, offering tons of ready-made tools to speed up your work. But when we dig deeper, Unreal still stands out. Unreal Engine's graphics are unmatched. Tools like Nanite and Lumion create visuals that almost feels like real. MetaHumans, which lets you create lifelike characters. It's another game changer. On the other hand, Unity's objects are impressive. But Unreal's cutting-edge tech is still in a league of its own. But let's also talk about scalability. Unity is fantastic for smaller games and mobile projects. It's quick, efficient, and doesn't demand high-end hardware. But when it comes to building bigger games, Unreal shines. It's built for developers who want to go all out, whether it's creating a massive open world or adding super realistic details. So for me, the deciding factor is this. Unreal Engine lets me dream bigger. It's not just about what I can do today, it's about what's possible tomorrow. And while Unity 6 is better than ever, Unreal still gives me more freedom to create ambitious projects. So here is my decision. I'm staying with Unreal Engine. It's what I know, it's what I love, and it still feels like the best choice for me in 2025. But that's just me. What about you? Is Unity 6 good enough to make you switch, or is Unreal Engine still the king? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.